Did you know that a simple idea from 1776 saved more lives than any medicine ever created? Back then, a deadly disease called smallpox was killing millions of people every year. Entire families would die. Whole villages would disappear. People lived in constant fear because there was no cure. But then, a country doctor named Edward Jenner noticed something strange. Milkmaids who caught cowpox from cows never got smallpox. Everyone thought he was crazy when he suggested using cowpox to protect people from smallpox. The medical community laughed at him. They said his idea was dangerous and foolish, but Jenner believed in his discovery. He tested it on a young boy, and it worked perfectly. People were shocked when they saw the results. Slowly, more doctors started using his method. Within 50 years, countries around the world were protecting their people this way. Today, we call Jenner's discovery vaccination. Because of his brave idea, smallpox became the first disease completely wiped out by humans. Every shot you get today started with one man's simple observation about milkmaids.